If there's one thing Italians can't live without, it's their coffee. And their coffee of choice has to be espresso. In Tuscany, coffee is even transformed into dessert. Caffè in forchetta, creamy coffee custard. To kick off my coffee cream, I've already scalded my milk and heavy cream, ready to take a tasty espresso. Then, to make the best coffee custard cream ever, it's all about egg yolks and egg. A little sugar for sweetness. And a good old whisk. Half of my hot coffee and milk mixture into my egg yolks, just to bring their temperature up. Whisk quickly, because I don't want my eggs to cook and scramble. So now I've tempered my egg yolks. They go back into the scalded milk and coffee mixture. And off to the heat. And this is where the patience kicks in. Gently whisking and stirring to make sure I'm not catching any of my cream on the bottom of the pan, and that my coffee custard cream is soft, silky, and smooth. Just turn the kettle on. Now just fill these molds, an oven-proof ramekin, a glass dish, whatever it takes. Boiling water into the bottom of my glass dish creates a bain-marie. And this water bath ensures that I have a gentle, even heat during the cooking in the oven. Cover with aluminum foil, into the oven. And this is exactly what I was looking for. See that little jiggle? That tells me they are cooked perfectly. Nice and soft and creamy on the inside. Out of the bain-marie. A short time in the fridge, just to firm them up, and they'll be the perfect little coffee creams. Shouldn't take too long. My coffee creams have firmed up just that little bit more. With a very light chill on them, they're ready to take the finishing touch. And that comes in the form of some whipped cream for a luxurious finish. Dusting of cocoa powder. And my simple yet elegant coffee creams are done.